welcome back to today's video. This is Jessica. She's going to be my model today. So if you watched the last video, I did a little fairy look, and that is going to be her fairy godfather. So I'm just going to do a super natural clean beauty on her, so let's get started. So today I'm just going to be starting off doing her brows, and I have blonde and taupe, so that's where we're going to go today. Alright, so now that her eyebrows are done, I'm just going to go on to moisturizing her face. Now we're just going back into the heart-shaped tape in light sand. And we're just going to be smothering this all over her face. Alright, and now we're just going to be going ahead and setting her face a little bit. Alright, so now that we have her face powdered up, I'm just going to go ahead and with the Soft Glam palette. And I'm not going to spend too much time in the eyes. I want it to look very effortless and smooth. So I'm just taking tempera and placing that on the lid. Alright, and now I'm just going to be going into orange soda and putting that in the crease. Now that we have the eyes done, I'm just going to go in with glistening and just going to pack that on the lid. The eyes are done, I'm just going to go and then contour her face a little bit, and as well as add a little bit of blush. So I'm going to take the cool toned brown with that. And now for the final step, we're going to be going on to some mascara. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. We're just going to go ahead and smoke the bottom of her lashes. And for that, I'm just going to be going into burnt orange. Alright, and now I'm just going to be taking a NYX lip liner in pale pink. And I'm just going to be dipping into the Anastasia palette, and I'm just going to be going in to that pinky one right there. Alright, so we're just going to be taking that color and go ahead and applying that. Okay, so now that we're done with her lip, this is how she is looking.
A white shirt too. I'll show you it.